What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox a wonderful projector. It's a LED smart projector and it's from Amazon. So why this is amazing, this is a very portable one, as you can see, and the nice thing is that this is full HD projector. Do you believe that? Small full HD projector. And the nice thing is that the price mentioned here, 12,999, which is definitely not. So I bought this thing from Amazon and I'm going to tell you the price later. So stay tuned till the end. But before start the video, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. And if you like my work, you can donate anything to my channel. You'll find the payment links in the description below. So now let's start this video. So this is like generic projector, not any branded one, but I have found this thing very nice. So we're going to open it up and we're going to check it out and test it, then we'll come to the conclusion. So let's open it up. All right, okay, so here get another box. The remote control and the other stuff would be there. Okay, the power cord, remote control as I told you, and what else? The user manual, very tiny nice one. So keep them aside. This is the projector, as you can see, very small in size, and it comes with a self stand just like that. If you remember, I have unboxed a Portronics projector. Well, that one's price was like 5,500 and something like that. But this one's price is much better than that. We'll get to the price later. So as you can see, the design of this thing is very nice, rectangular shape. As you can see, that's the lens. And at the top, you get this focus adjustment ring right there. And the projector written here. And for this design, as you can see, the vent, you get the vents at the top and at the front and the bottom here, and of course at the back right here. So this is a self stand, as I told you, and you get a screw hole at the bottom, so you can mount this thing on any tripod like that, or even you can keep it on table or anywhere, and you can set the angle. You don't need anything else. So nice thing is that this thing comes with the auto keystone correction. So if you like set like this and project on the wall, and then you change the angle, and it will automatically adjust the keystone, the angle of the projection. So that's the nice thing. At the back here you get this ventilation and the power cord socket, and that's the IR blaster, I guess. That's the USB, that's a headphone socket, HDMI, and that's the one power button. So only one button is there on the projector, so you just can turn it on and off using this button. So you need the remote control for all the stuff. If you break this one, then you cannot use this projector, but there is another way I showed you before. So now let's turn this thing on and check the projector, of course. All right, so as you can see, this thing is turned on, and that's the screen right there, and room light is on, but still you can see nicely the projection screen. Now let me make it bigger a little bit. All right, so now the screen is bigger, and the projector distance from the screen would be like 5 to 6 feet. And the screen size would be like around 85 to 90 inches, which is quite bigger from this small distance. Well, now let me turn the light off, and now you can see very clear and bright projection. We set it up quickly. Right, so now the Wi-Fi is connected, and play the YouTube.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Alright, so you've seen the demo and the picture quality and all. So in my opinion, this is a very wonderful projector. And now let's come to the price point. This thing cost me only 3,500 on Amazon. I hope this is like amazing price. But the point is, you don't get any warranty or anything like that. So that's the one bad thing. But as this is a generic projector, no branded one, not a branded one, that's why the price is low. But you gotta take the risk. If you get it fine, then hopefully it's gonna work nicely for long enough. And if you get any trouble at the beginning, then you can return it, of course, to Amazon. That's pretty easy. So I think you should give it a try. Definitely give it a try. As you can see, it's a like short throw projector, like very small distance you can project a bigger screen, which is very nice thing. And the brightness is pretty good enough. So I have shown you the lights on and off. So that's the nice thing. And for 3,500, I think this deal is amazing. So the plastic quality is okay of the projector, but the remote control is pretty, what to say, the plastic quality is very cheap. So you gotta handle it very carefully. If this thing breaks, then you cannot use the projector completely. The smart features and all, you just can turn it on and off. So take care of this thing. So that's it. That's all for today. Hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.